Hello and welcome to Inspire Transforming Lives channel. You are watching the Heart to Heart show, and we have got a lovely member of the Inspire community, Dr. Shamim, with us. I am Arshi here, and we will be talking about how fitness is good for your health and your body. And Dr. Shamim is going to be talking about how Inspire has helped her being fit and healthy. Dr. Shamim, I would like to ask you, first of all, I would like to thank you for joining in and accepting the request to come on this show. I would like to ask you now that how has Inspire helped you, and how is your journey with Inspire going on?
I had joined Inspire in the month of last year, April, and it's been amazing classes ever since then. I have not stopped. Every month I continue doing it. And Inspire has been really, really great work they are doing. Like, we have a lot of workout which are very different from everyday's routine. Like we have the cardio, we have the strengthening exercise, Tabata is there, yoga, the breathing session, the laughing session, the challenges, everything is amazing and amazing. Definitely, I would prefer joining these online classes and continuing it for as long as I can.
Now, as you have been working with the COVID patients and in the COVID hospital since 1.5 years now, you have been dealing with lots of COVID patients, and you have been seeing different kinds. Some might be fit, some might not be so fit. Some have recovered soon and some might not have recovered. So how would you what did you come to a conclusion to about, has exercise and being fit played an important role in recovering faster and helped in boosting the immunity as such?
Yes, definitely exercise has made the difference in the patients, what we have seen. And the lesser the active the patient is, the more the complications, the more their recovery time has been increased. The more the active the patient is, they have better immune system, they have better recovery time, the lesser the symptoms, and the lesser the admission to the ICU. The people, especially the ones who are obese, they are in a high risk cases where they have the lung infections. Invariably, we have seen a lot of obese patients who were having death rate which had increased. So I would always say that exercise with COVID is a must for everyone to be active and to get a good immune system and a good recovery from this COVID. Recovery becomes slow, the immunity system goes down. So exercise increases your makes you less depressed, less have the anxiety levels, and gives you a good sleep and increases your overall your physical health.
Okay, so you say that exercise is good for immunity and has helped people recover COVID faster.
Definitely 100%.
So how has working out with Inspire been different from working out from, like, you have exercised many places? So how do you think that it is different from others?
Inspire has been really inspiring and motivating us, especially Arshi. She is around us, pushing us and motivating us. And every exercise is so different every day, right? As I said, that we have all the workouts every day, are different workouts. So the monotony is not at all there. We look forward for the next, what is the next day, what we are going to have. We have either Tabata, we have either the strengthening, then the cardio, then the high HIIT, then MOH, and everything is there in that. Like, it's really means really good. I will not miss out this session, and I'm going to continue doing it with this. And I motivate everyone to come on, join these classes, And Arshi, hats off to you to be really means really, it's really good. You're the best gym instructor, I'm sure, over there.
Oh, thank you. So what would you like to tell about to all the viewers watching over here? How would you like to motivate and encourage the viewers about being fit and healthy? What would you like to tell, as a doctor's point of view, what would you like to tell them?
First of all is that please be sincere with your exercise. Don't get lazy. Keep a target. Please join early in the morning the classes. Motivate others also. Put on your groups and every way that Inspire is the greatest online classes. And it's like you have to do it. You have to increase your system. You just wait over there, get obese or get put on weight and have all the risk. So I would definitely tell people, motivate them, inspire them that please Inspire Gym, and it's really good. It's really good. Early morning, it refreshes everything. Your day goes good by having a morning 1 hour of session is more than enough for you to be active the whole day.
Thank you. Thank you so much for your time, Dr. Shamim. It's wonderful talking to you. So the takeaway message over here is that you have to take care of your body, keep exercising, and be physically fit. Only when you are physically fit are you going to have a healthy body, and you are going to boost your immunity, which is very important right now during the pandemic. So take care. Thank you everyone for watching the channel, watching the show, Heart to Heart Show. I hope you all get motivated and start moving and keep exercising. So thank you everyone. See you all. See you all in the next episode with another story. Thank you. Bye-bye.